In this topic, you will learn how to view and edit open items. Now, the open items function allows you to, before or after an invoice or credit memo has been validated, modify certain data, including due dates, payment methods, split payments into several items with different due dates, modify early discount and or late charge codes, specify dispute code if denying payment, change the Pay to BP or business partner. You can also activate or deactivate the reminder flag or late notice flag. Modify payment approval as well. Now, these modifications can be made individually from the document invoicing function, or with open item management function, you can modify groups of documents. And finally, after the operations are completely processed by payment or posted, you can no longer manage the items except to place an item on a statement or associate it with a dispute code. Now let's see how to view and also modify an open item. Now, to modify a single open item, you go to APAR Accounting, the invoicing block, and we'll select the supplier BP invoices. Now here, for any transaction, you can go to the right panel, select Open Items, and the Open Items window will come up. Here you can see you can modify, as mentioned earlier, the due date, payment method, split up the amount, discount or late charge code we can change, add a transaction to a statement just by selecting Yes, pay approval modification, add a dispute code, business partner information. Also, you can see if payments were paid, you can see the payments, provisional payments, and also if a statement was generated, you will see a statement number. And of course, as mentioned, you can actually do this in the open item management function, also in APAR Accounting. And you can do this as a group where you can pull up multiple different transactions. Under the Open Items block, we select Open Item Management. Just by entering the criteria starting with the company, sites, control accounts, and even a group of control accounts, business partner, payment methods you can use, currency, a range of due dates, use the reminder section, pay approval section, simulate discount charges also. There's additional search criteria in the search criteria section. You can actually have a sort by due date or business partner. In the criteria area, if it does not meet what you would like as far as search criteria, you can actually use a formula to pull up the results that you would like. So let's go ahead and make a modification. Let's say you received approval to split a payment. So by entering in the criteria, I have the company, the site that I would like, the control account I would like, which is the AP account. As you can see, it shows all of the control accounts that are available, but I would like the AP control account here. Criteria is entered that I would like. You click OK to bring up the results. As you can see, the results are all from this control account, business partner section, and so forth. I wanted to modify this particular transaction here. As you can see, I can click in the Pay To date to make that modification, but I wanted to modify the payments. I wanted to pay $700 by the date noted here as far as the due date. Once I click the tab and make that modification, it pulls up the Open Item Edit window. We see the total down here. I put that 700. Now I'm going to enter in the next due date for the balance. And we'll go with the 28th. Payment method is the same, and then we enter in the balance. I click OK. As you can see, the results are right here, where it's split up those figures. I can also see this information once I save the results. I can go to my supplier BP invoices where the transaction was generated, and let's enter in the figure and see the results here as well. Here's a transaction. I go to the open items, And as you can see, the results are here. And now you know how to view and modify open items, as well as the benefits and features at your disposal.